So this is question 20. Let A equals to 1 over 7 times 3.1415 15151515151515, and it is written as m over n, where the GCD of mn equals to 1. Find the value of m plus n. First of all, we need to write 3.1415 as a fraction. So I will let it as b. I'll let this be as this number. And this is actually means that 3.141515151515 and keep repeating. I'll multiply b by 10,000. So this will move 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be equal to 31415.151515 and keep repeating. I'll consider 100b. The 100b will equal to 314.151515 and keep repeating. The difference will be equals to 9900b, and this is just simply equals to 31415 minus 314. The rest will be cancelled off. This is equals to 31101. And therefore, b equals to 31101 over 9900. And a is equals to 1 over 7b. Is equals to 1 over 7b. So it is equals to 31101 over 79900. After some cancellation, it is equals to 1481 over 330. This means that m equals to 1481 and n equals to 330. Therefore, m plus n equals to 1481 plus 3300, and it is equals to 4781. 4781 is answer for question 20.